Okay, let's see which one has the best AI that we can use. So I'll show you the best AI and my top 5 AI. So first of all, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a very simple simple website. Anybody can use it. It's free, and the ChatGPT 5 that is now being released, or that is now released at the time of recording of this video. And we're going to make a simple prompt and see how it looks. So you can make the chats disappear on the side. So in the prompt I said, what is the weather today? Notice I didn't give any location. I didn't say weather in a specific country. I just said what is the weather, and let's see what the result would be. So it's searching the web, which is very interesting. So it gave the weather for today. It says currently 59 clouds and sun. So it gave the weathers at the time, which is very good. So let's go move on to Gemini, made by Google. It's a very smart and very simple AI. This is ask Gemini. Ask the same question, what is the weather today? Again, not specifying the country, just assume that I'm talking about my own country. Oh, and look, and gave the weather 16 partly cloudy. Gave a different answer to ChatGPT, which is very interesting. You know, ask more questions, and so I like it. It gives nice icons, which makes it very interactive. And also the chat on the side on the left, you can make it disappear and appear just for privacy reasons. Overall, it's nice. Let's move to DeepSeek. DeepSeek was a AI created by Indian software developer or software developer company. Let's go ahead and ask the same question without specifying the country or city or region. So what is the weather today? Let's see what do DeepSeek give us. Oh, and it says I can't fetch real-time weather data. That is very interesting. So now we really know in this regard of the weather which is superior or not. Okay, that is very interesting. Okay, it says we'd like to help me or something else. Okay, this is just for weather. So yeah, DeepSeek, we're not really gonna ask you for anything in the future, but let's move on. Let's see what Meta AI might say. Meta AI was developed by the company Meta, known for creating Facebook and Instagram. Let's see what is the weather like today. So here it's also to specify what country or city, which the other AI tools did not ask for. So we really see which one we're going to use in the future. It's a fair question, so it wants accuracy. But let's move on to Claudia. I don't really know how to pronounce it. It's taking a bit long to load. Just give me a few seconds. Maybe search it again. Cloud. I think it's a German name, Claudia. And let's see. So here, Cloud AI system brainstorming. Okay, we don't need that. I understand, we don't need that. Enter my name. Just skip a few. And there we go. So again, we asking the same question. What is the weather like today? What is the weather today? No, we're not specifying which country or city. It's just taking the answer. And there we go. It gave the weather for today. It didn't give a visual simulation of the weather or visual stimulus. It gave text, but it is still good. It gave the answer that I was looking for. Yeah, so subscribe for more content. Thank you.